Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to recover a Roblox account without email or phone number. I had a friend recently panic because they couldn't log into their Roblox account anymore. And the worst part was they no longer had access to the email or phone number linked to it. So the best thing to do in that situation is contact Roblox Support directly. I open a browser, search for Roblox Support, and went to the official support page. Once there, you'll see a form where you need to enter some basic details like your date of birth, Roblox username, and a working email address where Roblox can contact you. After that, select the device you're using and choose a help category related to the account login or account recovery. In the description box, clearly explain that you no longer have access to the original email or phone number connected to the account and need help recovering it. Once the form is submitted, Roblox support reviews the request and usually responds by email within the next steps. It might take a little patience, but it's the safest way to regain access. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.